Welcome guys, today I will show you how to install hazard light in an RC390. So let's start. First, open up the seat of your bike using the key. Now we will need a 5 mm Allen key to open up the rear seat of the bike. This is the nut we need to open using the Allen key. Now take the Allen key and open this bolt. Once removed, keep it safely. Now slide the rear seat forward to open it up. Here is the original Ktm alarm connector. Remove it and keep it safely. You need to press open this lock and remove the alarm connector. Now plug in the hazard light adapter and keep it safely inside. Now when I will turn on the ignition, you will see the hazard light will work. There are many ways to change patterns. The first one is by clicking the button on the hazard adapter itself. Pattern could also be changed by using the indicator switch. Turning ignition on and off also changes the patterns.